Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Soul window. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set, trim removal tools, and your new window glass. Next, for safety, disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal. Then, carefully remove the interior door panel by detaching any visible screws and gently prying off the trim clips. This step provides access to the window assembly, preparing you for the next stage of the replacement process. Now, let's remove the damaged window. Begin by detaching the window regulator from the old glass, typically by unscrewing a few mounting bolts. Once freed, carefully lift and remove the broken or damaged window from the door frame. Be cautious to avoid further injury from glass fragments. After removal, thoroughly clean the window channel to ensure no glass shards or debris remain, which could obstruct the new window's movement. With the old window out, it's time to install the new one. Gently slide the new window glass into the door's window channel, making sure it aligns correctly. Next, reattach the window regulator to the new window, securing it firmly with the original bolts. Before putting everything back together, manually test the window's movement up and down a few times to ensure it operates smoothly and without any binding. Finally, let's reassemble and perform final checks. Carefully reinstall the interior door panel, ensuring all clips snap into place and all screws are securely fastened. Reconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal. Then, test the power window operation several times, moving it fully up and down. Verify that the window seals properly against the weather stripping and operates smoothly without any obstruction, completing your window replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.